ChatGPT too many requests. Fix rate limits, slow and lag issues 6. Is ChatGPT telling you too many requests? Is it slow, freezing, or not responding? This is one of the most common AI problems right now. In this video, I'll show you exact fixes that work step by step. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more AI tips, AI fixes, and smart tech solutions. This error means you've hit ChatGPT's rate limit. It happens when you send messages too fast, you use automation tools, servers are busy, and it's not a ban. Step 2, first fix, stop sending messages. Wait 10 to 30 minutes, refresh the page. This alone fixes the issue for many users. Step 3, long messages increase rate limits. Fix, split long prompts into parts. Avoid copy-pasting huge text, ask shorter questions. ChatGPT responds faster. Step 4, if ChatGPT is very slow, close unused tabs, disable heavy browser extensions. Use Chrome or Edge, switch to stable Wi-Fi, speed improves immediately. Step 5, message failed or timeout error. This happens when internet drops, servers are overloaded. Fix, refresh page, resend shorter message, try again later. Step 6, for freezing issues, clear browser cache, log out and log back in, restart browser. Mobile users, force close app, clear app cache, restart phone. Step 7, prevent rate limit in future. To avoid this problem, don't spam messages, wait for replies, avoid bots and scripts, use one account only. This keeps your account safe. Free users hit limits faster. Plus users get higher limits, faster responses, but free accounts still work with patience. If this video helped, subscribe to Allen Tech Gurus. I post daily AI problem fixes. Comment your ChatGPT error below.